Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Frontier oil. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Also, have new engine oil, a new oil filter, and a funnel ready. Always use the correct oil type and capacity, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, for your specific model. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Now, let's drain the old oil. Start by warming up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the oil flow more easily. Next, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This step typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it feels snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, using a new crush washer if your vehicle requires one. Now let's add the fresh engine oil. Using a funnel, slowly pour the recommended amount of new oil into the engine. For most Nissan Frontiers, this is typically around 5 to 6 quarts. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Add more if needed, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.